Okay, hi guys. First, I'm sorry I'm not a native English speaker, so bear with me. I'm going to show you how to fix the home button and power button problem on the PS-Vita. So first of all, how do you know for sure that you're having the same problem? What I found out is when my Vita is basically closed. Let me close it down. You need to get to a recovery mode. You need to press the on button, the power button, and the right click together. So if you do that, you should see this one, this screen, this one. So what I find out is that if you are actually having the same problem as I am, the power button will basically be on all the time. So let me close it back, and if you will press only the on button and the right trigger, you will manage to get into the recovery zone. So first, before you unassemble your PS Vita, you better check this out and make sure you're having the same problem. So having said that, let's tear this one down. Just closing it off. Okay, so it's very simple to unassemble it. You just, first of all, make sure you have a small screwdriver like this one. I'm not sure if you can see it, and a tweezer can help you out a lot here, and I'm using this one just to help me get things out. So first of all, let's take the 4 screws which are here. Now my PS Vita is currently working as expected, so I have no problem, but I will show you what I did to fix it. Okay, so we have all the 4 screws now. In this part you have another 2 screwdrivers, 2 screws. Taking them off as well. And another here. Now we can easily just get everything out. Be careful not to break anything. It shouldn't be too hard, so there is a chance that you are missing something if you feel a pressure or something. Okay, so as you can see, after doing that, you have 2 it will be very easy to just pull those 2 off, and so you will have the back of the PS Vita out, and you will see the board. This is the tricky part. So I remove this cover. You can take this plastic off, and it should be able to pull it off. So as you can see now, this is the button. It's not enough to clean it from this side. You also need to take out a glue part, which, as you can see, there are two pins, black pins. If you can see it, these 2 black pins are actually holding some kind of glue stuff over it, so I'm just taking it off using my tweezer. As you can see, I'm pulling it off, and now I just uncover a black part of the button. Here, just take something, even I even managed to clean it with my hand, but do something, use something soft and just clean it, and just, as you can see now, here, I'm just getting it back. Make sure it's placed on the two black pieces, and after that you're basically done. You just make sure connect the PS-Vita again, the back cover. Here, just I will reconnect it. And just make sure that it's working. As you can see, I used the power button to actually turn it on, so it means that the power button is actually working now. Let me show you how to get everything back. Of course, you will see this screen because you disconnect the battery, so all of your clocking stuff are reset. But that's it basically. Let me get everything back. I'll close it. And let's assemble everything back. So what we need here is, first of all, don't know if you noticed that, but I took off the button, the left trigger. So I'm getting it back, just placing the button itself. Here it's pretty simple. And now getting back the cover. And putting back these plastics. Now all left is make sure you're connecting these parts. We are closing it off. That's it. There are silver screws that you better put in here, just to make sure that you remember what you take and where. But the silver ones are here. Another one here. Now opening the cover here again, and now these 4 screws again. That's the easy part. Everything is easier. Nothing is too complicated here. Okay, let's see if it's working. Power it off, power it on, and as you can see it's up. Let's try and see if the power buttons, everything is working. Power button work, on button work as well. So that's it. What does it mean? It means that there is an hardware problem. It's probably something with regards warming up, and probably the glue part, which I just showed you, is melting or something like that on the button and causing the wire to connect, and that's causing the button to just be on. That's why I'm not the only one that having the same problem, and this is probably kind of malfunctioning on the PS Vita. So fortunately it's very easy to solve, and good luck.